Good thing about Kanga Roof is that we actually exist.
We actually exist.
Yeah, KangaRoof, we exist.
We exist?
Why, yes, Kyle, who works at Kanga Roof, we do exist.
Yeah, we actually exist.
We have a big building. We're in the center of Round Rock. We have a whole bunch of trucks. We're everywhere.
We're always doing training in the office. Part of that training is just perfecting the process and being the best that we can be at replacing roofs.
Yeah, you can count on the fact that we're going to answer our phone if you were to pick up the phone and call us. You could always come by the office as well. We're here every weekday.
Unlike other roofing companies you might find on your Google search bar, we're local, we're licensed, we're insured, and we're intertwined with the community.
Yeah, we are super involved in the community.
Kanga Roof is ingrained in the Round Rock and Hutto community.
We sponsor a lot of events. We give a lot of scholarships.
Part of that community involvement is actually offering scholarships to high school students that are going into trade school.
I'm not sure if every other roofing company can say that. And those are the things that set us apart. You know,